Hey everybody, Chad here. We're at the Howland Park here in Howland, Ohio. We're riding solo today. My buddy Josh, who was in the last video at Mill Creek, he was working today, so he couldn't come. But for today, we're riding solo, so have a good time. We don't know where or even if there are trails, but this looks promising to me. I don't know. We'll go and we'll go down a little bit further and see if it turns into anything. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it doesn't lead to just poison ivy. Alright, we're about 1,000 feet more down the path, and it looks like it turns a bend here, and that's where we're gonna head. So let's see. Yeah, it did turn into a trail. This definitely looks like a trail. You can see on either side of me here is woods. This trail cuts straight through it though. It's a little bit wet out because it actually rained off and on today. I just heard some noise. I thought I saw a deer through here, but I don't see it anymore. But we did find a sign here that says, let me zoom back out here. Nature preserve, do not spray or mow. A little bit of graffiti on the sign, but it says please do not pick the flowers. But yeah, none of the signage was out front. So it looks like we did find something good here, so let's continue to follow it. There's multiple clearing spots in the woods here. That might be a trail right there. I don't know. I don't think this is residential property. But look how beautiful that is. That looks so good. I love nature, man. I really do. And I appreciate you guys who watch my videos like so much. It makes me so pumped up to do some more videos for you guys. And you know, that's why we're out here in the rain. It's a little bit cold today. Not really the ideal day to be doing this, but you know, that's alright. Alright. I'm actually just pointing this out here mostly because I keep hearing noises like, you know, like twigs snapping and things like that in the woods. So I'm hoping we could catch, what was that? Hoping we could catch a animal or two. You know, hopefully it's a deer. I don't think there's anything larger than that out here, but alright, I think I came to the end of the trail, maybe. Looks like there's a piece of trail that goes off to the right here, and on the left there's like some kind of boardwalk or something. Looks like it's like an elevated wooden ramp. Let's follow it. Yeah, look, this looks like another makeshift trail through there. It's very beautiful scenery. This could be a desktop background for a computer. Sorry, there's mosquitoes everywhere back here because it's like swampy, and I am in shorts because I don't like being hot. But maybe I'll have to get out of here, you bastard. Maybe I'll have to rethink that. Alright, let's follow. Try to outrun these damn mosquitoes. Alright, let me try to hold this steady as I can. Looks like it turns up here. Sure does. And then down there, it just dead ends and like a fence. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, I see. The boardwalk's elevated over top of Looks like we got a little creek down there. Yeah, this wood feels kind of rotted. There's a smell to it as well. I don't know how old this thing is. Alright, let's keep going. I should probably keep my eyes on the ground just in case, so I don't fall through. It looks like, see, looks like that's a newer board. So this thing has collapsed at least in part before. Awesome scenery though. I know I keep saying that, and I'm probably going to say that a lot in my videos because I'm going to be doing a lot of places in Ohio with scenery, and I don't know, man. I just really love the beauty of nature. It's just something to behold, you know. Looks like it still goes. And then you can see back the way we came. Alright, let's keep going. Looks like some of the grass from underneath is growing through the slits in between the boards. Oh wow, look at that. Look how far, man, let me zoom that in. Look how far that is. That's about a half a mile right there, that zoom. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here's the space that we came out to after we walked that boardwalk so far, and here's the left side. You know, we're probably, I'd say, 8 to 10 feet off the ground at this point. But yeah, a lot of these, oh, my leg is itchy. A lot of these railings are lower and missing. So I haven't seen one person back here though, so I'm not even sure if this was open to the public still. I honestly don't know. There was a gate that was closed, and I assumed that it was a trail because, you know, I've always liked to follow trails and see where it takes me, and I was correct, thankfully. I would have hated to come back here filming and have nothing. Going underneath some power lines here pretty soon. Oh, this is cut. Oh, I get it. Okay, so we're like cutting through a swamp now. Is there any way to, no, there's probably no way down there. Yeah, look. Here, I'll show you here in a second. Look, it's a deer. Look. Oh, let me get my other lens. Don't run away. Oh, it's about to run. I don't have time for my other lens. You see it? Did you see it? I don't see it anymore. There it is. There it is. Oh man. I wish I had time to get my other lens, but I don't. Hopefully it comes back. That is crazy. I did not expect to see a deer as soon as I looked over there. Like, it was like hiding real good, and it was looking right at me. Alright, we're back to our normal lens now. Sorry I couldn't get that deer in a better perspective for you. So here we are. Here, it looks like there's a stairwell going down. Wow, let's see what that leads to. Because as far as I looked, it looked like a swamp. Oh, you know I'm tempted. Oh, you know I'm tempted. Let me go see over here what it looks like. It looks like the path is cut off by a puddle of water. Shoot. Alright, here we go. Let's go down there and see what's going on. Oh, this looks so freaking muddy and full of mosquitoes. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, let's go. We'll go see if we can see an end in sight. Oh my God, so much mud. So many mosquitoes. Oh, it smells terrible. Definitely the scene where someone can get killed. Definitely. There's all the water. Let's see if we get around it. I don't want to catch any poison ivy. I don't even know what it looks like, to be honest. Okay. There's more puddles. Jeez. I have to put my other lens back. Okay. Oh. Damn it. Alright. Let's keep going. Just a little longer. Branches off. There's a fork. Goes left. Goes right. Let's take right. My battery's dying. Okay. Let's see what we get here. It looks like, does it lead any, I mean, what does it loop around? But yeah. Oh, what's over here? Looks like there's cut logs or something. What is this? Oh, I almost fucking fell. Oh, it's a down log. And a freaking whole little river here. Looks like the path ventures more that way, but it's already gonna take me, I'm willing to guess, without any type of recording, it's gonna take me at least a half hour to get back to the car, maybe more. Oh shoot, I gotta go. I gotta get moving. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Oh my God, mosquitoes and mud and what's under there? Anything cool? Get off me. I really can't tell. Okay, let's keep going. Just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Oh, whoa. Really slippery. I can almost not even get a footing. I don't want to fall in the water. I don't want to ruin my camera equipment. It's not. Oh. Hold on. That's the path. Just so you see. That's the path. That's right now. It's where I'm stepping. See? Get off me, bugs. Oh, it smells like shit back here. Okay. Oh, yuck. found a little pavilion here. It's pretty nice. It's rather big. And in the middle of the pavilion, there's like a fire pit here. It's a little bit dark, so pardon that. But it's a little fire pit. I've never seen this before inside a pavilion. And looks like there's a little chimney that leads out of it. So, looks like it was recently used. A lot of ashes in there and half burnt logs. That's pretty cool.